Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, we've gotten into a little bit of a wet pattern, and that's going to continue over the next couple of days as we continue to see more rain on the way as we head into tomorrow with a cool front that'll be pushing through the area, and then maybe some more rain as we head into Saturday. So let's get into first off the radar, see what's going on there. And we had showers and storms lasting a lot longer into the evening than anticipated. Some locally heavy rainfall, especially across the northern parishes of Acadiana, where showers kept on going over the same spots, but things have quieted down across the region tonight with just a few sprinkles out there and just some ground clutter as well. But just a quick look at some of the rain totals across the area, and you'll notice that we have a lot of, we'll say, you can see the colors right up here, yellow to orange, a lot of 3-4 inch rainfalls, especially in St. Landry Parish. And this is the parish that needed the most rain, that was abnormally dry drought-wise, so at least some good news, but some localized street flooding, the whole 9 yards, but things will quiet down. But more rain on the way later on tonight, as we do have a cool front on the way. That's going to be getting here first thing tomorrow morning. Big picture though, here's an upper level trough that's going to swing through and bring the cool front. We have this ridge of high pressure now that's farther to the east, that's starting to draw tropical moisture into the Gulf of Mexico, and we have this upper atmospheric trough that connects from the Bay of Campeche down onto the Pacific side. We'll get more on that in just a bit, but you can see how the storms were firing up across the Bayou State during the course of the day today. Some heavy storms, especially across southwest Louisiana into eastern Texas. But meanwhile, farther to the south, we have a couple of areas of low pressure, one on the Pacific side that's probably going to become a tropical depression, another one that's just on the coast of southeast Mexico. This is what we will be watching, and so is the National Hurricane Center, giving this a moderate, a 40% chance of development, perhaps to a weak tropical cyclone. We're talking perhaps a tropical depression. Anything that we see develop, it might be more of a hybrid style system with not a purely tropical system, but nonetheless that tropical moisture will be moving northward. We have an area of low pressure. We have winds picking up in the Gulf and some nasty weather by Friday, and then that low pressure center goes right into Louisiana, but most of the heavy rains will be north and east of the center of that circulation that moves in for Saturday, and as quickly as it moves in, it's going to be moving on out. But looking at how it's going to impact rain wise, it looks like we'll catch another inch or two with the rains over the next couple of days. Some rain Saturday, but the heaviest rain axis right now looks to be east of Louisiana, but this could be subject to change, but 3 to 6 inches or more possible with that weather system down the line. But the biggest impacts with that low is going to be out in the Gulf of Mexico as winds begin to pick up. We're going to see some gusts. These are the European model wind gusts, going for gusts to tropical storm force winds. I don't think we're going to see a tropical storm, maybe a 20% chance of that developing, but I think we're better than a 40% chance of seeing some sort of depression developing, maybe 50 to 60%. We'll see how the numbers go tomorrow. Those numbers may go up from the National Hurricane Center. Then things quiet down after that low moves on by. Near term, here comes that front producing showers and storms through tomorrow morning. That front moves out into the Gulf of Mexico, and showers begin to diminish as we head into tomorrow evening. And rainfall wise, expect at least another ½ inch to an inch, but there could be isolated spots that catch 2 to 3 inches of rain overnight tonight through tomorrow morning. Here's the good stuff though. Temperatures hold in the 70s throughout the day tomorrow. Lower 70s, perhaps upper 60s, but tomorrow night, look at this, temperatures getting down into the upper 40s, northern portions of Acadiana, to the low to mid 50s elsewhere. And then on Thursday, plenty of high clouds lingering, so temperatures hard pressed to make 70 degrees. So it's going to feel like fall out there after tomorrow. A rain chances highest tomorrow morning, then a dry day Thursday. Friday, we begin to warm up. Maybe a few showers leading that tropical system late in the day, and then a 60% chance of rain. We'll just say plain old rain, not heavy rain for Saturday. And then Sunday's looking better. Another front on Monday, then another one on Thursday. So 3 fronts in a 10-day forecast is a winner, with maybe a little tropical something mixed in for Saturday. We'll see how that one. Yeah, we'll see how
we'll
that
take the
plays out.
fronts. But,
okay, exactly.
Leave
right.
that mess behind.
Okay.